Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Dwivedi and I am here with a new video, the PowerPoint video on the topic water pollution and water conservation. First of all, we have to know that uh, what is the cycle of water. Now, the cyclic movement of water between the spheres of biosphere, that means the lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. The combination of all these three is called biosphere. So the cyclic movement between all these three spheres is termed as water cycle or hydrological cycle. Now, fresh water is the most important substance on the earth. From the beginning of this earth, this water, it can neither be added nor subtracted. Its total volume that remain constant, but its abundance varies from place to place. That means the 100% water which was present on this earth when uh, the formation of this earth started, uh, it is still the same. The only difference is that we find the different volume of water uh, on lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And this is because of its in constant motion, that is cycling through the ocean, the air and land and then back again in form of precipitation. uh, the whole process that is termed as eva- evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Now there are some activities which is responsible for water problem. The first is the rapid urbanization. Urbanization is going very fast. Places are now converting into the modern cities. Then increasing industrialization. More and more industrialization uh, require water for the various work, and in this way they create a problem of its availability. Then unplanned agriculture. Still irrigation in the agriculture is consuming maximum water. Then especially country like India, the increasing population, the fast growing population uh, requires more and more water. Uh, so to fulfill the requirement of this growing population, uh, that's a big hilarious task, and that creates a big problem. And the domestic misuses which we are doing, uh, using too much water for cleaning utensils, vehicles, houses and all. Then comes water pollution. What is it is? It means contamination of water due to any external material which makes it unsuitable for human consumption. Uh, when we talk about the contamination, actually we are talking about the degradation in the quality of water, and all these things happen when undesirable uh, things that mixed in the water. So we will go here to see that what are the factors which is responsible for water pollution. uh, Means industries which generate waste in various ways and forms, that is either the solid, liquid and gas. All these waste that discharge into the river or the flowing streams water without any treatment. Then the radium, uranium and thorium, these are the elements which is required as a raw material in nuclear reactor for producing power. Now, so what happened uh, when the waste of these nuclear reactor, when they dispose into water, uh, it causes uh, ailments in the humans because they are consuming these waters. Then fishes dies in water when too much organic waste is discharged. It is believed that organic waste is not harmful, but it becomes harmful when we release more and more organic waste because it contains bacteria, and bacteria consume maximum oxygen from the water. This results in dying of fishes in large numbers. Then comes inorganic waste, which we are using like soap, detergent, drugs, the heavy medicines, paints, and fertilizers. They actually means the place where they are manufactured. They produce means very harmful. You can say that waste which pollute water. Uh, and the things which is polluting water are bacteria, parasite, viruses, on the toxic chemicals. Then the domestic effluents, which I said just now, means we are discharging all these effluents without any treatment, which is not done. Then comes the conservation of water. This conservation of water is very essential. It means that how we will give the right use to the water. Now, so first is we should treat the water effluents suitably before we are discharging them into the water bodies. Uh, then we must promote rainwater harvesting technique, which is very common, and Tamil Nadu is leading in our country. Means where we are constructing the tanks, and we are collecting the rainwater from the rooftop, and in this way we are saving water uh, from going waste. Then the scientific and regulated irrigational method. This actually prevent the wastage of water. Means more and more if we will use this uh, water carefully in a scientific way, uh, more and more it will remain available for irrigation in the future also, and especially in the dry areas where there is high temperature and rate of evaporation is very high. This drip irrigation or sprinklers, uh, that is the best answer to irrigation. And afforestation, that means planting of trees more and more on the land. It will reduce the runoff of the water, and it will allow the water to go inside. So these are some common things which we can use to uh, conserve this water. uh, I hope you like this video, and uh, very soon I will come with the new video.